Cilantro refers to the leaves of the coriander plant. You're looking at one. It's commonly eaten as food or used as a spice. It is also used as medicine. Cilantro can be taken by the mouth for cancer and also to remove poisonous metals such as mercury, lead, or aluminum from the body. It's also eaten for measles, toothache, and as an antioxidant. Now, how does it work as far as an anti-cancer and heavy metal remover? Well, cilantro might help remove metals such as mercury, lead, and aluminum from the body, which then may help some antibiotics and antiviral medicines work. Cilantro may also help eliminate certain bacteria that cause infection. So that is the mechanism. And we're just going to take a walk around here. I'm going to show you some of our cilantro, or coriander. We're in Zone 5A in southwest Colorado. And our coriander grows prolifically and wild. There's an interesting bee or bug or something. Bees love it. And we have it everywhere on the farm. And it's always coming up in a different stage. I'm going to take you over to some seeding varieties. Here, you can see the nice coriander seed forming there. Absolutely delicious. So, let's talk about coriander. The genus and species is Coriandrum sativum. It's an annual herb in the family Apiaceae. It is known common names Chinese parsley, dania, cilantro, in all parts of the plant. The roots, the stems, the leaves, the seeds, all edible. Now, most people perceive the taste of coriander leaves as tart or lemon lime. But depending on ethnicity, 3 to 21% of people that eat this or taste the leaves think it tastes like dish soap. And that's linked to a gene which detects specific aldehydes that are used in soaps and detergents. Coriander, or cilantro, was first attested to in English in the late 14th century. The word coriander derives from the Old French coriandere, which comes from the Latin coriandrum, and goes all the way back to the ancient Greek, and may be related to Copicorus, which is a bedbug, which was given on account of its fetid bedbug-like smell. The earliest attested form of the word is in the Mycenaean Greek. Now, cilantro is the Spanish word for coriander, also derived from coriandrum. It's a common term in American English for the leaves, due to their extensive use in Mexican cuisine. And let's go find some nice leafy varieties to finish the video on, shall we? Oh, here's a nice one. Take a look at that coriander. Beautiful. Now, this plant has been cultivated since the ancient Egyptians. About half a liter of coriander maricarps were recovered from the tomb of Tutankhamun. And because this plant does not grow wild in Egypt, Zohari and Hoff interpreted this find as proof that coriander was cultivated by ancient Egyptians. Coriander seems to have been cultivated in Greece since at least the second millennium BC. One of the linear B tablets recovered from Pylos refers to the species as being cultivated for the manufacture of perfumes. This appears to be confirmed by archaeological evidence from the same period. Large quantities of this species were retrieved from early Bronze Age layer at Macedonia and could point to cultivation of the species. Now, as far as nutrition, raw coriander leaves are 92% water, 4% carb, and 2% protein, and almost no fat. The nutritional profile of coriander seeds is different from the fresh stems or leaves. Leaves are particularly rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, with moderate content of dietary minerals. The seeds generally have lower content of vitamins, but they do provide significant amounts of fiber, calcium, selenium, iron, magnesium, and manganese. And there are no seeds out here, but they're absolutely delicious to eat. Now, different people may perceive the taste of coriander leaves differently, and we went over that. Studies show variations in preference among different ethnic groups. 21% of East Asians, 17% of Caucasians, and 14% of African descent express their dislike for coriander, but the cat loves it. Absolutely. Studies have shown that 80% of identical twins shared the same preference for the herb, but fraternal twins agreed only half the time. That's interesting, strongly suggesting genetic component to the preference. So there's lots to learn about coriander, but the important thing is it grows everywhere in the world, and it's been cultivated for thousands of years, and there's a reason why, a good reason. It's an excellent pollinator attractant, which adds to biodiversity in your permaculture orchard. You can eat it at every phase, starting when the leaves first emerge from the ground. You've seen coriander that looks like this as a garnish. But you can also put these flowers in your salad or just eat them fresh. They're so aromatic and delicious. It's a liver detoxifier. It removes heavy metals. You can put it on your salads. You can just snack on it as you walk around the garden. And it is absolutely delicious. Easy to grow, and will then self-seed and grow perennially. One single plant can produce a half a pound of seed. We have thousands of plants, so you do the math. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. And notice we have a nice little barrage growing up here in the coriander. All edible flowers, all edible plants. So get growing and become self-sufficient today. Grow your own food and medicine. Grow some coriander, or call it cilantro, but do it now. Be safe. We love you.